Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the marketplace settings that affect world sale CPMs. Make sure currency conversions and tax zones are correct. Once done, verify CPM campaign allocation and available inventory so you avoid overselling. You should also synchronize product SKUs and locale translations to prevent mismatches. These steps reduce friction and give you clear metrics. Now proceed immediately to adjust the campaign targeting and pricing shown to international audiences. You next adjust targeting and pricing. Set regional CPM bids that reflect local demand and profit margins, because flat rates undercut revenue. Once that is configured, apply frequency caps and day parting to smooth delivery and avoid budget exhaustion. You must segment audiences by locale, device, and purchase intent to match creative and landing pages. Make sure to map each segment to specific SKUs and pricing tiers, so performance data is actionable and you can iterate quickly. You finalize the rollout by staging launches across regions and monitoring 24 to 72-hour performance windows so anomalies are visible early. Once live, track eCPM, fill rate, conversion rate, and refund metrics to identify where revenue leaks occur. You should adjust bids and creatives based on real data and be prepared to roll back changes if key KPIs drop. Troubleshooting tip: if world sale CPMs underperform, isolate one region, revert recent changes, and /B test fixes before scaling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.